question 4, explain all the steps of lipolysis. There's a lot going on, so I'm going to be using my notes. So basically, the goal of lipolysis is the breakdown of triglycerides, which is fats. Triglycerides are fats. And this is done through 5 steps. Metato. So it starts with mobilization. So that's like exercise. And when you exercise, it releases hormones, and it releases epinephrine and norepinephrine. And those are fast acting. So those are like if you're doing like faster activities or you're fasting, like food, you will release those hormones. But for slow acting hormone release, it releases cortisol and growth hormone. Yeah, and HSL, which is hormone sensitive lipase, it tells the adipocyte to break the free fatty acids of glycerol. And then it goes to transport cellular uptake. So it takes those free fatty acids and it binds to albumin, and that albumin carries the free fatty acids all the way up into the bloodstream, and then it goes to the SFABP, which is the sarcolemma fatty acid binding protein, and that takes up to 50% of FFA into the muscle. So during rest, it either takes 10 FFA in circulation, and then it'll take 5 FFA into the muscle, and then during exercise, 50 FFA in the circulation with the albumin, and then it takes 25 into the muscle. So activation of breaking it down is FFA plus coenzyme A. So that's another name for fatty ACOA. It breaks ATP into ADP, so ACOA synthase. And then translocation, it takes carnitine transferase from the the cell, and then moves it out, and then that's when it starts to oxidize. So it cuts up F-FACOA in ACOA to enter the Krebs cycle, and that ACOA turns into 2 carbon molecules.